Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to prevent microphone issues on Discord PC with the new update. So if you've been experiencing problems with your microphone on Discord, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Step number 1. Open your Discord account. This is the first thing you need to do in order to make any changes to your settings. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Step number 2. Next to the web address, click on View Site Information. This is where you can access more detailed settings for your Discord account, including permissions for your microphone. Step number 3. Open Site Settings. Once you've clicked on View Site Information, you'll see an option to open Site Settings. Click on this to access the settings related to your microphone. Step number 4. Under Permissions, disable the microphone. In the Site Settings, you'll find a section for permissions. Look for the microphone option and disable it. This will prevent Discord from accessing your microphone and potentially causing any issues. By following these 4 simple steps, you can prevent microphone issues on Discord PC with the new update. Remember to always check your settings and make sure everything is set up correctly to avoid any technical difficulties. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.